like the second time I've tried. Endless dicking off. Hell with it. Focusrite. Guitar thingy. Microphone stuff. Knobs. A button. Switch. Open it up. Yeah. Couple plugs. Oh, wait. Magic of video. Already open. Let's take a look-see. I like those pots, those are pretty. And I went through a lot of effort getting those LEDs lit up through there. Those look like pretty long leads. At least on the green ones. Maybe not. Maybe they're just barely sticking those bastards through and welding them on. I don't know. Don't care. Got some poor choice of caps in there. No name. Craps on. Aishi. I don't know what that chip is. The XMOS. They do have a bunch of JRC, Japan Radio Corporation. What is that? 4565. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tried getting a part number off of that in there. The whatever it is, 16 pin dip, 18 maybe. Couldn't see it. I don't want to take the boards apart. I really don't care that much. I'm just gonna sell this thing. I'm surprised I got it at a garage sale for so cheap. This is 2016. Ooh, they're using the fancy board, 94VO. I like these capacitors. The first time I saw these, I was so confused. These might not be like the ones that I saw, or have, I guess. The 3-leg capacitors, these are 102. Yeah, 102. So, shit, I hope this is like focused. Piece of shit. That's not even focused on what I want. 102. So I was trying to figure it out, and there's only so many combinations you can do before you actually figure out what the hell's going on. The ones that I had, it was say 102 puff, or 102 between this leg and that leg, and then 102 between that leg and that leg. So effectively 204 if you parallel them, I guess. Is that, yeah. Or 101 if you series it. Or I don't know. It looks like they're just using it as coupling there between the ground planes, because this looks like it's a 4-layer board. Yeah. Well, it damn near has to be with as much shit as they have on here, because there's a lot. They even have stuff for power control, or for the microphone on the XLR connector, whatever the hell that is. Yeah, 48 volts. Give it up. Give it up. Anyways, that's pretty much it. That doesn't really interest me. Sorry. This was interesting though. This. Look at this. Paint. So, anodizing. Yep. Not conductive. Conductive. Not conductive. Conductive. And yeah, so why would they put that conductive paint on there, the ground spring, put it over to this, but this, I made a couple good scratches there that certainly broke the anodized coating. Basically that's all it's shielding right there, that little dicky square. So I don't understand that, but I guess it's not for me to understand. Anyways, see ya, bye.